Hey, what's up, high levelers? In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the Save Elements feature in the email templates in GoHighLevel. Now, this is a new feature that GoHighLevel has just rolled out, and personally, it is my favorite one because it allows me to speed up my workflow and get things done really fast. So let's jump into GoHighLevel and see how we can use it. All right, so I'm in one of my email templates, and as you can see, there are a few elements that usually we like to reuse, let's say our header or the footer as well. So what you can do now is if you hover over any of these elements, you will see the save icon here. Now, if you click on that, it will actually save that element and it will actually be placed here under saved items. So if you go here real quick, you will be able to see all the saved elements that you have been saving all along. And you can easily click on the three dots, either rename them or delete it. So as you can see, I've got footer socials, some of my main images here. That is the same exact thing you can do. And you can even save your footers, all that legal stuff, or if you want to save social icons, it's as simple as click on the save button here, and that is it. And now this will be accessible across all the email templates that you have. So let's take an example. I'm going to go back here and click on new and then do black template and then select the design editor. Now, once this loads up, you will be able to see that if we have to use any saved element, you will just click here and then it will give you access to all that stuff that you have saved, which is pretty awesome. So all I have to really do is just drag and drop it here, and it will do that in a second. So that is absolutely phenomenal. So this might seem like a minor update, but to be honest, it will really speed up your workflow and get things really fast. All right, so that was all about this quick update. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below, and we will get back to you.